Hi, welcome to the TVS Credit Educational Series. My name is Aman and today I am going to explain how you can change your registered address details linked to your loan account. There are multiple ways in which you can update your address details. The easiest way to update your address details is via the TVS Credit Saathi app. First, download and install the TVS Credit Saathi app and log in with your registered mobile number. On the Saathi app home screen, click on the Enquiry tab. Next, select your agreement ID. In the subject field, mention Address Change Request. Select Customer New Address Updation under Category. In the Summary tab, enter the new address details and reason for change. Attach any one of the government-issued documents such as Aadhaar card, passport, bank passbook, cooking gas passbook, etc. as proof of your new address so that we can update your KYC document. And lastly, click on Submit. Another way you can update your address is via the TVS Credit website. For starters, open the TVS Credit website. Click on the Login option and select Customer Login. Enter your registered mobile number and complete the OTP validation process to login. Click on the Ask a Question tab. Next, click on Address Change Request. In the subject field, mention Address Change Request. In the Question tab, enter the new address details along with the reason for change. Attach any one of the government-issued documents such as Aadhaar card, passport, bank passbook, cooking gas passbook, etc. as proof of your new address so that we can update your KYC document. And lastly, click on Submit. You can also place the address change request by sending us a mail along with the new address proof to helpdesk@tvscredit.com. Once we have received your request, our customer care team will call you for verification. Post the verification call, it will take up to 2 to 3 working days for the updated details to reflect on the system. For any queries, you can also write to us at helpdesk@tvscredit.com.